Oh, here it comes. Jim's got about, how many, 35 years worth of flying behind him? Oh, I bounced. That's what the other new one.
Well, that's exactly the same as the collar, but where's he going? Behind the hill.
We've got the air later, but the engine hold on. We've got with the new types, we've got this engines 150 horsepower. But what we were
Smile, you're on TV.
Before, it was Italian, I think, Franklin.
Yeah.
It was under license, but it was very lean. 110 horsepower.
Not enough. Because the collar was 150, isn't it?
Yeah, now it's 150, but before it was 110.
Because we came in here with the collar the other day, with the bloke who owned it.
Go back. All right.
Right now.
You sure? The shed, I think, before we get around.
Walk a bit up there.
Stick in the mud.
Yeah,
oh yeah.
Sorry about that. I should have warned you to bring a pair of boots.
That's all right. That's just
lovely up here, isn't it? You can see why we love it up here.
Yeah, I can. It's just
on a summer's day.
Sort of the informal scene. You turn up and you're airborne within 5 minutes. It's incredible. There he is up there. I've lost my Polish friend. Look at this. Of course. Huh? No, of course not. No. What, already?
Richard, He's doing the show now.
Yeah. It's not safe to go indoors, I think we might miss something. Meanwhile, the P02 carries on with its restoration.
Old Den says, bugger this flying.
Oh, sorry.
Got that like a fright on the South Downs Way.
Sure.
Now, you've got, I just wondered, it'd probably be better if you gave me all these details of this chap, not if you're over here. When you go back? Has it? Yeah. You see, Jim would rather, I think, spend money on the engine rather than swapping. You might not have the right thing to swap.
Yeah, we have got like home. You
can tell me what you want.
Yeah, if he can tell us what he wants.
All money.
All money.
See, I've got an engine for this. That's not there. But I don't want it. I want the radio.
It's just a matter of just agreeing what we can swap.
I think you must talk to
I'll talk to him. Yeah. Have you given?
I've got the detail.
Give me the details and I'll give him a ring sometime in the next couple of days.
If they've got more than one engine,
they have.
Well, they were going to let
I
us.
would like two,
Yeah.
so I can keep one in really good shape. See, I want to keep this aeroplane.
Yeah.
As I say, I always tell everybody, everything's for sale, but not this one really.
We put it up in the auction just to see how much it'd get. That's a good take, that.
Actually, if you want to take it back up, I can add it on straight away.
Place it back.
That's right.
Yeah.
Then it can be continuous with what you've got already. Did you look through that Turkey stuff at all?
Sorry?
Did you look through that Turkey film?
I'm only halfway through. It's good. It's quite interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you went straight after the Polish trip?
It was, yeah, middle November. Very lucky, that's right. Yeah. Yes, well, that's it. I couldn't have asked for more than this. It's tremendous fun. When you wish Anne could have made it, she would have lived there. Been something really new for her.
I think it's joined in. Bring the kids up.
That's great.
When I first came down,
I got a license, commercial license, but I didn't fly commercially. So I fly as you have seen, just in the club. You know, heaviest airplane I have flown is Antonov II, I say. And normally I fly.
Yeah, in Yugoslavia.
So yeah, we'll take that home with us. Finish it back going. So when will it fly?
well, if we do it, it's going to be 4 or 5 years. That's a tail skid. For the polycarbonate.
Dip up and it shrinks and it goes hard.
That's right.
If your wife sees you now, Jim, she'll say you can do some dressmaking using pink and cheers.
I'd love to make her a dress of this while it was on. While it was on. Stand over there by the fire, dear.
Oh, charming. The shrinking effect.
Well, lovely. Surprisingly, it's so well.
So it's up to about there.
Just to cut the top there, see that?
Go on, you go. We'll show you. I don't know how to do it next time. No, I'm sure I'll cut it the first time. Well, it's a bit short. Actually, a bit long on the long side.
1972 then?
Well, you know, as we had tutorials, you know.
Oh, I see. It was just a lesson at school. Yeah.
Just lessons at school. So technical language.
Yeah.
Polish.
Yeah, it's similar. We don't have this.
In the operations rooms in the war, they used to have colour codes for the timing of the raids coming across it. And that you want a job as a pilot?
Really good. Yeah, no. In Iraq, they were looking yeah, they want to
Flying Jaguars, yes.
Yeah, well, you're crossfire, I suppose. Don't think something else.
Thanks a lot, thanks a lot.
Didn't bring the airplane in.
I was on the ground just a couple of minutes before and checked it if there is, if there are no obstacles.
Meanwhile, a few cows,
No, because we are very
We normally have a visual look, just fly low and look.
It's when it's necessary.
We go along, my son will tell you, we fly along the coast here, and if we see someone we know, a farmer, and he's going like this, we just land. Have a coffee.
I believe you. That's what I love to do.
No one misses it.
Occasionally somebody reports you for crashing an aeroplane. The police start looking for it.
You got somebody on the road may say an airplane's gone down behind the hill, and they think it's crashed.
They know him now, though, the police do, don't they? Right then.
Let's just go there. We need to pour it down. Do the same as well.
Thanks, boys.
Everything was.
Thanks, Jim.
Yes, you know.
I can't remember the registration.
WXZ or something.
See what I got in here? TU154M, IL14, PZL Wilga.
Still takes some
Yeah, I've
pieces
seen
of
it.
it.
I have seen it, but there was no captain names.
No,
Why?
you'll have to supply the names of those for me. You know the chap who flew the Wilga? He was the president of the school.
DC-Cub I suppose I better have G-O Cub.
Go Cub, yes.
Go Cub, go.
Yeah, there's not much to see over there, too much.
Wait, John.
Picture of picture taking.
Picture of picture taking.
Yeah.
Various other things, Jodels. Signals ground.
Right hand circle. And they use the glass or the...
They use a concrete line.
Police in this country anyway. This is the Bolko, and there's the Squirrel as well.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know?
French one.
Yeah.
This one I know.
The Aerospatiale Squirrel was the other
You
one.
use it also for rescue in the sea and helidecks.
Yes, yeah,
I know some crews from Swansea. They fly
yeah, yeah. I know the Lighthouse people. They use one.
Yeah, Lighthouse. Yeah.
Trinity House is the organisation, and they fly in here quite regularly because they go out to the one off Eastbourne. There's a lighthouse platform out there, and they fly out to that.
Yeah.
What happened with this Porsche in the end then?
The what?
The Porsche. What? Yeah.
Crashed.
I see.
It crashed. No, it's actually facing back. We turn it backwards, and this, the ball, it rotates within that. You see, it rotates round.
Yeah.
But the actual lens is at the back there, and that gives us a picture up on the screen. It'll blow back actually. It comes up on the screen there.
It's white and black. Yeah?
It's what?
White and black.
White and black. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you get it's.
Or black
you can
and
either have it white hot. Or black hot, so the warm things will either show up white or if you just switch it. So that's the handset. So we sit there in the front with this. You can also record it as well. It's like a normal video recorder, and that's in the back. So you can actually record what you're looking at. And you've got the joystick there, which just moves it around from 90 degrees either way. So you've got 180 degrees scan across the front, and right the way facing right down to up. So you've got a 90 degree from down to up.
To up also?
Well, yeah, I mean,
not here, just here.
No, it doesn't look into the sky. It looks horizontally or down vertically. So you've got 90 degrees between there and there, plus the turn. So it's good. But the thing with that, if you're searching for someone with that, then they know where you're looking, of course. And if they don't want to be found, it's not that difficult. Just keep out of the way of the beam. And the night sun, it's got its uses, for other things. But the great thing with this is, of course, there's no light coming out of it, so they don't know where you're looking. In fact, they don't know you're looking at all. And you can scan a massive area. You can scan right across fields, and then once you actually find something in it, then you've got a magnification on it. So you magnify down to what you're looking at, and then hopefully.
Do you have such a control that if you point out, for example, car running away, and it then keeps it on the
No, it
screen
doesn't actually lock on. It's not like a. You could get that because the company that makes these make that sort of equipment.
Yeah.
But this costs.
Not for use. Yeah, not for
this particular thing costs something like £120,000.
That's more for the boys in the golf, isn't it? That sort of stuff.
Yeah, that's right. Well, the company will say that certainly distribute this over here. That I know they supply stuff like that. Yeah. But no, unfortunately, it's down to us. If we find a car, you've got to get the little thing.
One of pilots is always a little bored, so he's got his own joystick and they can play it.
Well, he can't use the FLIR. We call it FLIR. It's forward-looking infrared. That's the abbreviation. But as well as that, we've also got the night set, and we've got the control for that here. That's there as well. Again, you've got a joystick there, left, right, up, down. But as well as that, you've got a focus, which means you can put it out to a wide beam or narrow it right in.
Zoom.
Yeah. Well, not so much as zoom. It just. Well, I suppose it is. Yes, I suppose it is. But if you find something in the main beam, go right the way forward, and the paramedic sitting on that seat can then tend to the casualty on there. I mean, in that they've got drugs. They can inject straight into the heart. They can set up drips. So you've got to place fluid, and they can intubate.
You know what it was? Those women take it over.
Oh yeah.
You came out and had a chat with the company director. There's not many here today. Sometimes.
No. It's not windy. Not windy time.
Well, when you come,
it's windy.
If you're here for 3 months, you can come down again. We can have another time together. Jack of all trades and master of none, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Of course, I used to work up here years ago, didn't I? You did, didn't you? To enjoy it, get paid for what you know.
Another crazy helicopter.
Came up here. Come from nowhere, other area. It's a fashion.
But it doesn't work. Actually, no. It works, but it's do well.
Get well. Me and all of them. God, I fill up the picture. It's too big.
Once again. May I go?
Yeah.
Yeah,
you
go on.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh yeah. PZO.
Sometimes it's working very well. It depends from the very top. Very plain. Sometimes it's very soft. Lady? Yeah. What for? Yeah, I know.